CMDjong ke MeECL Arun Kumar Kembhavi ula KYNNOH ek SORKAR BARIM kablalong kadaw jong ke jingbym la ban SIEW ki jingsiew bapher kum ki penshon bar kiwei Haba iakren ba katto katne ki nongthoh khubor ha ka tarik jylliew aja arpuai ulong ba ha ka por pynkylla ki meseb she ke MeECL naduh ka snem aja shipho ke SORKAR klade ban thaw ka corpus fund khnang ban la ban SIEW ye ki nongtrei henre ka SORKAR ha ka te ka por kap shimle le ye kani.
When the corporatization of MSEB took place in 2010 and MECL was created out of MSEB, the then government should have created a corpus fund of 840 crores in 2010, and out of which we should have paid the salary, terminal benefits, all the gratuity fund, death coverage, DCRG amount, all those things to the pensioners. However, that was never committed to by the then government, because of which we are suffering right now. The net present value of that amount could be anywhere around 1500 to 1600 crore. So, but again, it will be very unfair for us to demand that kind of huge amount from the government in one go. So it's actually a catch-22 situation. We have been made to pay price for all the faults of the previous governments. So now recently the Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Commission directed us not to pay the pension in the month of April, because of which we have not paid the salary pension for the month of April. That's why the pensioners are suffering. It's very inhuman act, so to say, from MECL. But however, if MECL were to pay the pension from our own fund, it will be a violation of a quasi-judicial body. So it will be illegal and unlawful if we had to make the payment for the pension. That's why we have suggested a couple of alternatives to the state government. So I think we are working out a solution with the commission and the state government. Hopefully very soon we will be able to sort out the issues, which is actually should have been done in 2010. We are actually 11 years late. Nevertheless, the challenges are abound, and I'm very hopeful that very soon we will see a solution for the pensioners' problem.
Uba arju da khar nong yalam ki seng engineer ulong ki nongtrei bit ki seng engineer kila ai jing mud ki jingthoh cha ka SORKAR naduh ki snem aja prater hinre kim chimra la banei hado mynta ba dei na mar kani ka sami ki jing
ki suggestions kala da bai nang ni ndan ki records bar khoi naduh ki snem arjar kanai on the course of corporatization ma hado ki ni khat khalai khat saw fin pej la de ong bakanan ka budgetary support ka bangin ai hare ngim tip hai ka sakut kani fi hai ka sakut balai kam dan kum kata ka bakin pej nakilang ki officers ki badan hapok state government la ka de ka power department ngam ko abn kono ino la ka de ka finance department ban pej yakini hab ka wiki states kila ban wan chakaman ma ngam namar piece tu ki minister of the day bopli ula banun tip la ki officers ki put up ki file kinung tip nai te ngam tip balai ba klam pen tip yakini kan balai ba ka kampoi snur kan nadu arajar kandai la ong ban avail yakini through ka ADB loans nai kare kampoi snur te balai gele sakut yakini ngathai nakaliang ka jong honorable chief minister power minister kenapa nuat yakini balai ka poi hadu uni put bamanta haba previous government maho April arajar khatsau ladep ong ban sedang ban SIEW no monthly yakini ki dues ki jongi hari hadu mentaru kempat yo